Nagbabalik ang schoolmates. Usapang dating naman tayo, no? So for you guys, how dating makes or break you? Can you share some experiences? Hermione ulit.
How dating,
Kinabahan siya.
dating,
Out of guard ka doon.
hindi kasi yung dating kasi nakakaganda.
Ay! Perfect. Palakpakan natin ang mga gumanda.
Ganun kasi yung feeling, yung sa dating stage, yung feeling na ikaw yung pinakamaganda sa lahat.
Perfect ka dyan.
Totoo.
Alam mo yung susunduin, ihahatid, yung parang
Bubuhatin
princess treatment
gamit
ka sa
mo.
lahat. Yun. Ganun yung dating for me kasi ako kasi yung nagre-reject.
Teka lang, nakapakan ko yung buhok mo. Nakapakan ko yung buhok niya. Wait lang.
Yes, ganun yung naging experience ko for dating na doon ako nagbo-bloom.
Oo. Perfect na.
Yes,
Totoo
ganun
na,
dapat.
Magtaka ka pag di ka nag-bloom. Yung sabi, hindi siya for you. Diba? Okay, ikaw naman, Mylene.
I'll agree with Hermione kasi throughout the dating stage, kagaya nga nung sinabi kanina, it is where you try na understand each other. So talagang mag-bloom ka and you can show truly yourself and doon mo rin makikilala lalo yung partner mo and how you will handle each other.
Right.
Yes.
Pinag-usapan natin, how does it make you, diba? Did dating ever break your self-confidence? Or parang did you have to, at some point in your dating life, parang, shucks, insecure ako, parang deserve ko ba siya?
Totoo.
Or parang, dapat ba ito talaga yung deserve ko? Ganon. Oh, ikaw muna, kay Mylene muna tayo. Mamaya ka na. Mylene.
For me, kasi siyempre 21 pa lang po ako, so hindi pa naman lahat.
Masisiwalat ang dating history ni Mylene.
Alam naman po ng parents.
Yan, perfect.
For me kasi, when I dated someone, alam ko yung gusto kong standards.
Yan,
Yes.
So,
okay.
alam ko rin yung parang pinapasok ko into that person. So, somehow, hindi naman siya naka-break towards me, but it also boosts my confidence kasi I can pull off that man. Ganon.
Ganon!
Iba! Arty niya yan. Joke. Ganon yung feeling. Okay, perfect.
Kumbaga ang mantra niya sa buhay, I can fix him.
May something wrong with you. Joke lang. Okay. Ikaw muna, Hermione.
Ako, yung same din sa answer ni Miley na pag may dinedate ako, nagiging vocal ako sa kung ano yung mga gusto ko, sa kung ano ba ako. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose of the first stage of dating, getting to know each other. Nagiging vocal ako kung anong klase ba akong tao para hindi naman siya ma-shock kung ano ba ako in the long run. Naging vocal din ako sa mga traumas ko and kung ano yung mga ayaw ko na sa relationship.
Right.
And in the beginning pa lang, kasi kung manliligaw ka, it's your committed ka hanggang dulo na pasasagot ka ng taong to. And kung doon din tayo papunta.
Depende, di ka sure.
Yes, di mo sure baka mag-hold back lang ng ugali.
Baka apat kayo. Joke lang.
Like, if ever doon din kayo papunta sa serious dating, okay na nasa umpisa pa lang na nagkakaalaman na agad ng mga
Yes.
non-negotiable sa'yo.
Right.
So,
ganun.
do you agree ba na since na-mention na parang sa experience nyo sa dating, doon nyo ba nalalaman yung red flag and green flag ng isang tao? Hermione?
Yes. Kasi may times na kapag sinabi mo ni mga ayaw mo, like, open up mo na yung mga reasons bakit naging ayaw mo yon and still parang
Hindi nagbabago?
parang hindi ka napapakinggan and hindi siya na-value. Parang dun ko nasisi yung red flag na parang hindi mo ba nakikita na ito yung trauma ko and pag feeling ko hindi siya, ano tawag doon? Pag hindi siya yung nasisin, parang dun ko na-feel na unappreciative ako and hindi na-value
Unappreciated ka. Coming from the experience ni Mylene and syempre ni Hermione, Coach Joe, ikaw, given yung tanong namin kanina, should the dating experience always be pleasant? Kasi for them, parang, it always is because it makes me bloom.
Yes.
Parang, it's me setting my boundaries and my expectations. But parang, what should our parang schoolmates think of if the dating is like medyo going south?
Sobrang messy.
I think generally, universally, dapat pleasant siya. It should be bringing out the best in you. It should be, you should be getting a better person. Hindi ka na insecure. You don't feel less of yourself. So generally, dapat talaga, yung dating period is really a good feeling. You should feel good about yourself. Your confidence nyo mataas din. On the other hand, not necessarily naman 100% na you don't have misunderstandings and
Yeah.
miscommunications.
Oo.
That is completely part of the process. So parang you call it, or we call it growing pains, di ba? Kapag bata pa lang tayo. So may mga misunderstandings, and I'm sure since you're getting to know each other, kapag naman nakita nyo na, ay, pwede naman pala natin pag-usapan or pwede natin magkaintindihan. So again, not necessarily 100% pleasant or good, but for as long as you are learning and being a better person, that's the main idea.
Right, right. So dapat kapag dating, medyo nafe-feel mo, ay, you bring out the best in me, ganon.
Oo.
Ang feeling. So kapag hindi, ay, girl, goodbye.
Pag napapa-question ka na,
Goodbye.
hindi ba ako maganda?
Oo, tama.
Yun na,
Correct,
run.
correct.
This generation, di ba, everything is labeled. Kahit nga yung mga damit di ba, damit,
Oo,
products,
branded, keme,
may mga
ganon.
label yan. So in this generation, no, what our Gen Zs coined, every situation they are into, ano po kaya yung nagli-lead sa kanila, sa mga kabataan, to name every situations kapag sila ay nagmahal? Nakipag-date or nasaktan?
Parang every Gen Z, they name every situation na parang, oh, this is, ano ba, may crucible, parang
Oo, may
iba-ibang
mga ganung
terms, diba, yung
terms.
ginagamit. But do you think it's such a good thing that every experience is labeled, or should it be something na, oh, it's fine, it's just a passing or a fleeting moment?
I think
Like flings, gano'n, di ba?
yes.
You use that
Talking
term, diba? Like
stage.
talking
generally,
stage.
the idea of labeling for me is good kasi nga, if you have a label, you can set your boundaries, your standards, your limitations, your parameters ng relationship. Diba?
Oo.
Ba, dating lang tayo, may holding hands na ba? Or meron na ba? Ganun, di ba? So that's,
Yes.
generally speaking, that is good. But at some point of the relationship or the dating period, you have to take that leap. You have to take that risk. Ano ba? Kaya ko na bang i-commit yung sarili ko? Kasi again, pain and learning is part of the relationship, of the dating
Yes.
period. So as much as we love to label and give names sa ating pinagdadaanan,
Yeah.
you have to take that commitment. Going back to the commitment
Yeah.
kanina. So are we still dating? Are we still at this period of our relationship? Or magko-commit na tayo? So again,
Right.
I think that's the distinguishing point ng isang dating and relationship.
Yeah. So dapat
Yes.
it's really the word commitment, no? Kasi people sometimes misconstrue na pag dating ka na, matik, boyfriend, girlfriend na kayo. And sometimes, no, those two people are not on the same page. Magkaiba yung
Yes.
definition sa'yo ng dating. Sa kanya, parang, pwede pa naman ako manligaw ng iba diba? So,
Oo.
yeah. So, mag-follow up muna ako kay Mylene. Did you ever mislabel a specific relationship of yours? Did you
Tatanong
ever
ko
have
sana
that
yan
experience? Kasi ganun yung mga tao, di ba? Parang paminsan, dating pa lang, hindi kami na yun. Di ba?
Oo.
Or pag MU na tayo, pag nag-uusap tayo, MU na yun, di ba? Ikaw.
Actually, in my experience po kasi, sinasabi po na masyado po akong bulag. Like, I cannot
Bulag.
see the signs.
Girl.
Ganon. I cannot see the signs. And kailangan, sasabihin mo sa akin ng direkta kung what you wanted us to be or ano na ba talaga tayo. So, I don't usually mislabel our relationship.
Right.
Mabuti.
Bleep this out. Edmar, tama ba? The joke lang. Edmar, tama ba? The joke lang. Ikaw ba, Hermione? Sa boyfriend mo ngayon. Wow! Na-mislabel mo ba siya? Ever? And parang,
Ano
tropa
na ba
lang kami.
tayo?
Parang iba na yung pagtingin niya sa'yo. Hindi, dating kami. Pero tropa lang talaga sila. May ganun ka ba na experience?
Sa kanya, wala akong mislabel.
Wow. O sige, perfect yung dalawa
Labas ka
ngayon.
muna.
Kasi nagkaroon kami ng stage where it's malinaw na nasa...
Gano'ng
nasa ano kami.
kalinaw? 2020 ba?
Nasa stage kami na nagkaaminan ng feelings. And malinaw din na napunta kami sa panliligaw stage kasi pupunta siya sa bahay namin para magpaalam. So, malinaw siya sa akin. And malinaw din sa akin yung time or yung pag-switch namin ng stage into the commitment stage is when yung nagpapakita na siya ng signs but nagiging vocal din ako kung ready na ba ako or what. Kaya doon ako humihingi ng pwede bang another month. Tatry ko lang tingnan if mag-work ba, if nagbago yung situation, ganon. And
Love that for you.
Yes.
Grabe.
Yes.
At least, malinaw sila ngayon. So, sana hindi kayo magkalabuan sa episode na to. Joke lang. Ayan. So, perfect yung mga na-share nyo. And syempre, Coach, thank you so much for giving clarity on that. So, sa inyong palagay, eto na, balik tayo sa organic encounter. James, hit it.
Yan, sa inyong palagay, ano yung mas the best organic encounter or
Mas
someone...
na the best pa.
Yung
better.
the best of the
Pinaka,
best.
tama.
Organic encounter, of course, or someone you met on dating apps. Gusto ko yung pinagsama yung dating apps
Pinag-isip.
ba or organic encounter? Yes, Mylene, ikaw.
For me kasi, it is still a fantasy if you were going to meet someone organically. So,
Yes.
Kasi somehow, our generation thinks na it was somehow destined. Like kasi you are both in the same
Totoo.
places. So you do
Okay.
not plan it to happen. Unlike
Yes.
sa dating apps na talagang nagsaswipe ka dyan kasi you are looking for someone.
Nag-replay ka sa story.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sa'yo, ano mas prefer mo? Organic or dating app?
Organic pero approve pa rin ako sa nangyari sa dating app ko.
Ay, ganon!
I love this episode!
Ganon!
Wala daw better. Okay lang yun. Ikaw, Hermione, ano ang better for you? The best daw, the best.
Yes.
Organic or dating app?
Ako the best talaga sa akin yung organic.
Organic.
Kasi parang spontaneous na it's a coincidence na nasa isang place tayo.
Totoo.
And parang alam mo yung invisible string na all along ikaw pala yung kasama. Akala ko katabi lang kita.
Ay,
Ganon.
correct.
Unlike sa, wala naman ako against sa dating app, but in my opinion, yung dating app kasi like, pilit. Like, you are there kasi yung purpose mo is to find someone. Unlike sa
gusto niya
organic,
yung mga slow burn, yun yung genre
Yes.
niya.
Ayun yung
Slow
trip niya
burn
sa
drama.
buhay.
yes, unlike sa organic encounter na fresh.
Totoo. Pero kasi, di ba, totoo, aminin nyo, sobrang
Yes.
fantasy kaya yun na may makilala ka na na
Kaya favorite ng mga tao yung nagkakabungguan.
Oo, yung nagkamunggo niya. Uy, ano ba yun? Pag ganun ka bigla.
Coach Joe, ikaw, ano, for you, does it matter if you met on a dating app or in an
Organic encounter.
Ano yung meaning ng organic encounter? Sorry, can you define that for us?
Without disclosing my age and my generation. nung panahon namin, di ba, wala namang cellphone.
Tayo
Wala,
parang,
no? Meron na nung telegrama lang nung panahon namin, di ba, sulat lang. But of course, when we say organic, it's natural, it's not pilit nga, sabi ni Hermione. And as opposed to tech-based, again, we have nothing against technology. It's a tool, no? It's an app. But at the end of the day, again, how would you define your relationship? Are we online? Are we together online only?
Yeah.
Or what's your plan? Ano yung goal mo sa relationship nyo? Ano yung vision
Yes.
natin? So, forever na lang ba tayo nasa app? Or kailangan natin magkita? Eh, di kung okay sa inyo, why not? Kung okay na sa inyo,
Totoo.
online lang kayo, di go ahead. Pero kung,
Right.
again, as human beings, as people who feel, see, hear, and talk, and touch, I think yun yung pinagkaiba natin sa robots or sa ibang
Yeah.
gadget.
Yes.
We are people. We are human
Yeah.
beings. So,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, it goes back to organic. Sana.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
gusto ko yung sinabi ni Coach na na sana hindi lang magstay yung relationship ninyo online. Sana dumating yung point na
penpal na lang kayo.
oo, na
Joke lang.
makikita rin kayo, di ba? Kasi iba rin talaga kapag nakasama mo yung someone mo yun. No? Yung to the point na first time yung nag-meet, yung nagkakahiyaan pa kayo. Pero pag sa chat, uy, talaga nga naman. Pero pag nakita, sino ba yung unang mag-uusap?
Correct. Mas nakakakilig,
Totoo.
right?
Kaya naman, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan, of course, sa pagbabalik lang ng Schoolmates.